Impact Design is growing, evolving, expanding, with a new partnership between Midmark and Plunkett Research Architects, LLP, better known as PRA. Who is PRA?
Hi, I'm Megan, an award-winning multidisciplinary interior designer at PRA.
And I'm Renee, an architect at PRA with over 25 years of dental and healthcare environment experience. Our firm was established in Milwaukee in 1935. Since then, we've grown into a multi-office architecture and interior design firm offering services to clients nationwide.
In 2024, the PRA Healthcare Design Studio merged with Practice Design Group, a dental design and consulting firm led by Pat and Dr. Jeff Carter. Pat and Jeff have partnered with Midmark to present Impact Design workshops for years.
The PRA and PDG merger brought together a team of more than a dozen healthcare and dental design professionals with a shared goal of helping dentists realize their unique practice visions and enhance the patient experience.
We're both proud to be a part of this team, and we can't wait to meet you at an upcoming Impact Design workshop.
I'm Kylie Gilbert, Senior Marketing Manager for Midmark Dental. Together, our teams at Midmark and PRA are excited to bring you the same consultative impact design workshop, now with a winning combination of our most popular topics and refreshed content. Join us at an upcoming impact design workshop where we can help you dream, learn, and build your ideal future.
Because at Midmark, we believe that better care starts with a better designed care environment.